Welcome to Union, Missouri. This is the seat of Franklin County. Behind me here is the Franklin County Courthouse. This was built in 1923. It was remodeled in 1970 after it was bombed as a diversion for a bank robbery. Anyway, let's check out the town and see what we can find out about it. Busy little place. It's like the old fire department here and various businesses. So the square here around Union is, yeah, it's doing okay. They've got, it's a lot of law offices, a few businesses. There's like a dress shop, and there's a bar over on the other corner. Barber shop, dress shop, dispensary, lawyers. The Franklin County Historical Society, which appears to be closed. I don't know what they've got inside here. Oh, all kinds of little museum in there. Anyway, it is a brisk morning. We're here in December, so not a lot of activity out here, but that makes sense because, like I said, it's a cold one. Now, I wanted to catch a shot of this bar down here. It has a cool path sign out front. I wonder if that neon still works. Kind of neat here. Elmer's Tavern. Huh. Very cool. Well, that's going to wrap it up here for Union. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the little walk around town. See what we could, what we found. Not an awful lot, but now you know what's in Union, Missouri. Anyway, I will say this. I should add. There's quite a bit here outside of this square area, but I'm covering squares, and the square is, yeah, it's a lot of government stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching.